What's up everyone, this is One More Guru, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Roblox Game Pass on mobile using the updated method. Start by opening the browser on your phone. Search for Roblox and tap the first official website that appears. When prompted, select Continue in Browser, then sign into your account if asked. After signing in, tap Create at the top of the page. Next, choose the experience you want to use, usually the first one listed, and select Manage Experience. From there, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner and scroll until you find the Passes section. Here you'll see a blue button that says Create a Pass. Tap it, give your pass a name, and if you want, change the image at the top. Once you're done, tap Create Pass. When the pass is created, tap on it to open it. Again, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner and go to Sales. This is where you can put the pass up for sale. Turn on Sales, set the price you want, and tap Save Changes. That's how you create a Game Pass on Roblox Mobile and set a price for it. Hope this helped. Make sure to like and subscribe to One More Guru, and I'll see you next time.